Do you want to know the truth? Or shall we just move on and act like nothing happened? Last time you saw me in one of my videos, I was wearing the same shirt as now, 2 years later. Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Susie. Except from the fact that I've changed my hair. It's black now. And that I pretty much changed my hair around 6 times this year. So where exactly shall we start? Because 2 years in one video seems pretty difficult to me. Maybe from the fact that I'm currently living with a Mexican family in the richest area in Mexico City. Due to the fact that we were foes that became friends.
You're here telling me, oh my god, I can't do this, I can't do that, but these are your dogs and you have to take responsibility.
Maybe with the fact that I did travel the past year with my van through Central America with Toby, partially my ex-boyfriend.
Toby, what are you doing over there?
And we traveled all the way through Belize, and I ended up with the Mennonites deep in the jungle.
We're crossing the rivers now, guys.
Okay, it doesn't taste the same.
It doesn't taste the
The
same?
milk you buy in a supermarket has been pasteurized.
Pasteurized.
Yeah. Is he in the office? Yeah. Okay.
Mike, a Canadian expat who was running a cave business and whatever kind of businesses, because he was sniffing a lot of coke and telling me stories about the Mennonites and Pablo Escobar in the 80s.
So before I went to bed last night, I ate a brownie. I slept like I'm still tired. But supposedly 10 grams is legal in this country.
Yeah, but cocaine is not at all, or is it? Yeah, I actually never took.
And it's hard to get good coke too. Most of the guys cut it so bad. It's cut and cut and cut.
Cut is what, like
Cut,
put.
blended with something else.
Okay.
That I went to Guatemala and I hiked up a mountain, which was pretty much the best experience of my life. And I camped next to a fire volcano. We are close to the volcano Atenalgo. I think I'm pronouncing it right. I am just leaving my van here. I've got everything geared up. We rented some stuff. We didn't want to take the tour because, well, I like my privacy. I don't know about you. Going up the volcano, if they only knew. Wait. What? Wait.
Hey, I'll move after.
Yeah. Watched it all night exploding. Or that I drove through Honduras all the way, seen the most dangerous places and poorest places I've ever seen in my life. Or maybe that I've been to places in the middle of the mountain where there's absolutely nothing but indigenous communities where children had to walk at least 2 hours to get to the next school to learn a little bit of 1 + 1. Or maybe some nice experiences that I had in Costa Rica when I was surfing and being in the mountains. Look at this tree, guys. Look how big it is, how old it must be. We're sort of off-road of the jungle path, but it's very beautiful. Well, there's tons to talk about, and I don't really know where to start. And I told you, I've been in a relationship, and that relationship affected my mental health way more than I wanted to. You know that quote? That pretty much sums it up. You would have probably not recognized me. There is the bubbly Susie that is, well, luckily coming back slowly. And there was this dark Susie, very dark. that came to surface. And I can tell you, living with somebody in the van 24/7 is so difficult. And I don't know if it was a midlife crisis, but I'm just gonna be completely honest here, because I think that's how good relationships are meant to start. And I want to rebuild it with Liz.
Take me on a big adventure, baby. If we stay together, we could stay young forever. Where will you go if you could time travel?
Me and Toby, he came along, on and off. We separated and split it. It was not easy for him, but we're adults. But our friendship, it stayed. And well, he's not in Central America with his van anymore. Maybe if you follow him, you know, well, he's all the way back in Marbella. And what else can I tell you? My van was wrecked, and then it was invaded by tons of rats. Then I had to rebuild it probably for the 6th time in my life. It was nasty. They bit through the cable, they bit through everything, my engine exploded, and that's how I've been pretty much almost stuck in Mexico for several months. Probably almost a year now. Guess what? Diesel engines are not common here at all. Find a mechanic who knows the old van. Find a mechanic who has all the parts. 1 + 1 plus being in Mexico equals waiting almost a year for my van. It was a struggle. Hell, it was a struggle. And on top of that, the mental health. Let's call it mental health because I can't really explain what it was. Sometimes I woke up with just feeling so heavy. And I woke up worrying. Then my van got wrecked in Guatemala because I almost killed somebody along the road. I ended up in hospital. The man ended up in hospital. We stayed on good terms. He's safe and sound. But it was horrible because I was driving. And when you drive in Central America and there's no lights on the roads and the people just live right next to the roads, damn hell. Be careful that nobody is drunk and passes the street in the middle of the night with no lights during Christmas, because that's exactly what happened on Christmas Eve. Except from the fact that I was gun pointed in Mexico one time too. I stayed pretty calm. And I had a lot of experiences in Oaxaca with some old lady in the middle of the mountain and her daughter with her gun in her hand. And they were the witches of the town who would proceed to do, well, magic mushroom treatments. The real magic mushroom treatments. The ones that you can't find anywhere in a ayahuasca center or anywhere else.
It's raining so much. And just... wait a minute. Oh, bring the dogs in. Bring the dogs.
I gotta admit, I did have my fair share of experience now here in Mexico and in Central America with psychedelics. Probably some of you will think, oh, that's the reason she went all the way down, but no, it's not. It was all the other thing. Probably myself and the relationship that affected me the most, that I couldn't get myself up in front of the camera. And it takes a person to know the power of psychedelics now. In my whole 28 years, well, now I'm 30, I have never ever tried any of this kind. Now, I can see how powerful it is and how powerful it can be used without wanting to promote anything about it. To be used as something very, very healing. But that's just my opinion. Some of you will probably judge me. I mean, there's no way around. But that's the reason why things got fucked up with her and all messed up with her and the way she is and the way she is changed. And Susie has changed because, wow, have you not changed 5 years before? Did you thought the same? Did you look the same? Did you had the same experiences? I hope not, because otherwise that would mean you didn't grow much at all. So I'm happy if I changed. I'm happy if I'm a new Susie, and I'm happy if you want to get to know me too. There's one thing for sure, and that I know in life. It is a constant up and down, and we are constantly presented with the choice of going for something or staying in our lane. You know me, I'm an adventurer. I am curious explorer of all kinds, and a life well lived means for me seeking and experiencing as much as I can. As the ENFP, we just have it in us wanting to experience everything there is. Well, as I said, I know there's one thing for sure. Life is a constant change. You have changed, I have changed, everybody has changed. And there are sometimes things we will make, there are some actions we will take that might be a mistake, but we can learn from them. There are some actions that we might take that will be perfectly good for us, and they turn out way later to be mistakes. But at the end of the day, we can only learn and grow and get better. This is what I'm in for. A journey of experiencing, a journey of learning. And what some of the wisest people have said, and I quote, I am a lifetime learner and a lifetime trier, because life is meant to be tried. Now, after all of my recovery, and with the help of my family and the help of my people and my friends, I've made big step forwards. I've traveled to Asia, I spent a lot of time there, I still went back to Europe, and now I'm recovering. And I'm recovering with so much focus and excitement because I have a lot of new plans going on. The question is now, are we going back to the past and revisit all the stories I haven't told you but I still have footage of? Or shall we just move on and go to the past and start from here? Let me know in the comments. See you soon.